How to turn on or turn off keyboard vibration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. So you will see sound and vibration is here, so click on sound and vibration. Now here, so scroll down and click on system vibration. So after click on system vibration, so you will see Samsung keyboard is here. So if you want to turn off Samsung keyboard, so turn off this button, you will see vibrations. Samsung keyboard vibration is turned off. So if you want to turn on Samsung keyboard vibration, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see Samsung keyboard is turned on. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off keyboard vibration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.